Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenario series. Now, in this video, we are going to discussing about to the another real-time business use case onto the flows. When we are going to select the account name, immediately displayed by the account details and as well to the account related opportunity records on selection of the account. Lookup to we are going to select by the account name without click onto the any submit button, and within the same screen, not for the next screen, within the same screen we are going to display the account and related opportunity records without to click onto the any button also. With using to the screen flow actions to we are achieving to the this use case. Let's see how we are going to implement it by this use case. So come to the flows, click on to the new flow. So first of all, I'm going to take it by the auto launched flows. When we selected by the account lookup, automatically invoked by the our subflow. That is called the auto launched flow. Here we are going to get the account and account related opportunity records. So here get account and related opportunities. Okay, so here we are selecting by the account object. Which account records we are going to get it? Account ID. We have the here. We are passing from the main flow to this flow, account ID equals to here we are taking by one new resource. Why? Because from the parent flow to subflow, we are going to pass it by the selected account ID. That's why I'm going to take it by the new resource. Select by the variable where selected account ID. We are going to store the ID in this particular variable. Let's take it by the text. Make sure to give it by the available for input. Then only we can able to pass it or assign to the selected account record ID. Click on done. Now here we are going to get it by the one record only. Okay. So now here, after this, we need to get it by this account to related opportunities also, right? So here we can use it by this condition, also get the related records. So click on to the here checkbox when showing to the select related records. Without writing the separate get record element, with this same, we are going to get it by the related records also. So when we are selecting by the account, you want to display by the account name, like account rating, amount, if you want to revenue, okay, revenue, like this. Whatever the fields you want, you can give it by the that fields information here, like account number, account phone, whatever the fields you want, you can select by the that many fields. After this, click on to the here plus symbol. This account to related opportunities, we need to get it. So click on plus symbol, related opportunities, right? Opportunities, opportunity object, we need to select by the here. Click on select. After this, in this opportunity object, which fields you want to display? Like opportunity name, like stage, opportunity amount, like close date, whatever the you want, you have to take it by the that many fields you can able to select by the here. Any filter conditions, if you want to, you can apply the filter condition, like which is the not closed opportunities, or you want to more than amount is the 1 million amount, then only you want like this. If you want any filters, you can add it. Otherwise, you can leave it by this one. Let click on save. And one more, we need to give it by the all the records here. Click on edit again. So here Here we need to give it by the all the records. Otherwise, it will give it to the only single record information. Make sure to select by the all the records. Okay, click on save. Now you can preview the here in the account object level which fields you are selected, and any filter conditions we can check it on the opportunity level which fields you are selected. Filter conditions here which record you are selected, that account record, and opportunity level we are not selected by the any filter condition. It might be you are selecting stage wise or amount wise or any other conditions you can apply the here if you want. Now I didn't add it by the anything. Then we can get it by the accountant that related all the opportunities. Now let's save this subflow. So account and related opportunities subflow. I am giving to the here subflow. Click on save. Click on to the activate. Now after this, you can create the screen flow. Click on to the new flow. Why? Because we need to give it to the user can able to select by the account name. Then we can get it by the account information. So screen flow, select by the screen, account and related opportunities. So here user can able to select by the account name now. So that's why I'm going to take it by the lookup field is also be defined, or if you want to object level field also be defined. Lookup account ID. So here I'm going to give it by the account ID API name, and here label select account object API name. I'm giving to the contact. In the contact object, we have the account ID. Na? This is the API name of the in the contact object. That's why I'm giving with the API. If you are using any custom objects or custom fields, that custom fields API name you can give it by the here. That custom object API name you can give it by the here. Okay. After this, once you are selected this, immediately we need to call it by the our action. So select by the here in the footer without click onto the any button or next button, immediately showing by the, within the same screen. So come to the here footer. Here we have the configure to the screen flow actions. Screen flow action. From this, we are going to invoke the our subflow without to click onto the any action buttons or click onto the next button. Okay, so click onto the here configure screen flow. Here you can select by the account and related opportunity subflow. Just now we are creating this one. So API name also be the same. So this is the variable we are created, right? We are going to pass it to the what we are selected by the here. So now come to the here screen flow. In the screen selected account record ID we are passing. So once you are selected, immediately call it by the subflow, then return by the data. Click on done. Click on to the save up to here first. Account and related opportunity details. Click on save. So after getting the information, we need to store it right. So we need to display the information. That purpose come to the subflow. We are going to store by these details into the particular variable. So here assignments in the subflow, we have to do assignments, assign account to details. So where new resource variable account details, object name is the select by the record, object name is the account. Available for the output, you can select by the this one. Okay, click on done. Equals to the, we are getting the records, right? Get records, account information, we have the here, get record, account information will be the populated by the in this. Now for the opportunities, we can take by the another new resource, variable, opportunity, details. Let's select by the record. Now we are getting the multiple opportunities, right? That's why we can select the allow the multiple values, multiple values. Then here you have to select by the object name, opportunity, available for output, must be selected by this. Now in this, we are going to add it by the opportunity details, get records. In this get records, opportunity records. Account details, we are assigning to the one particular variable, and opportunity record information, we are assigning to the particular variable. Okay. So now click on save as new version, click on save, click on activate. Now let's come to the here main flow. We can refresh once. Now double click on to the here. So now we are going to call it by the action flow, right? Here we are getting the information. Now let's display the information, display text. So here we are going to display by the account information, account details. So here account name, click on to the resource. This is the our screen flow. This is the action. We need to select by the screen flow action. In the screen flow action, result, account to details now here, account to details, account to name. We have to select by the account to name. Now account to rating. So let's select by the here, go to the screen flow, screen actions, result, account to details, rating. So annual revenue. What are the fields we are selecting? Those fields we can able to display by the here. Annual revenue. Go to the here, screen flow, actions, result, account details, annual revenue. Like this, which fields information you want, that fields information you can display by the here. Like this, we can bold. This can, we can bold. This can, we can bold it. Okay, like this information we are populated by the here account to details here. Let's add it by the one section. So you can show by the account to details section name is the here. Now this text we can add it by the in this. Okay, in this section we are displaying by the account information. Now let's add it by the one more section for the opportunities. Opportunity details. Now in this section, we are using the data table. Why we are using the data table means each account associated to the multiple opportunities, right? One or more opportunities. That's why here. Opportunity data table. So opportunities. So now here source of the collection. Click on to the here screen flow. In the screen flow actions, results, opportunity details. Okay, now we are added by our source of the collection. If you want to add by the search bar, you can add it by the search bar. Otherwise, you can ignore this one. Now let's configure to the rows. We can give it by the, they can able to multiple or view only. Let's give it by the view only here. They can't able to select the any opportunities. Now configure to the columns. Which columns you want to display? Opportunity name. So stage. Like next is the amount. And next is the due date. Close date. Sorry. Yeah. Close date, right? We have to select by this one. Click on done. So this we are added here. Click on done. Click on save. Let's select by the any one of the option. Let's preview this one. Click on to the run. So by default, these two sections also will they appear like this. Okay. Now you can select by the edge communication here. So without click on to the any button, automatically populated by the here. You have to observe account details, a name. We can check it why it is not populated. Okay. And now here stage amount will be the populated. Close date also be the populated. Let's check it by the name. Here we are selected by the fields, right? Opportunity name we are selected. Okay, now let's come to the main flow. Columns. Name we are selected. Opportunity name. This is the custom field. Actually, it is showing, not sure. I think so. Here we have to select by the here come to the opportunities. Maybe some other requirement I am taking by the opportunity name formula field. That's my it maybe. So this is the custom field. You can select by the this name field. You have to select by the this name field. Click on save. Click on new version. Click on save. Activate. Now let's select by the edge communication. Now it is populated. See here name. Maybe due to some other reasons I created one more custom field, but you can select by the standard name field. So now here it is up here. Now you can search by the any record. See here automatically searching by the with the data. We are not giving maybe. So here, yeah, it is updated by the searching by the with the name. Okay. Now, by default, you don't want to display these two sections. When we are getting the data, then only you want to display by these two sections. So let's come to the main flow. This section, visibility, when the record get from the database. Okay, so here, logic, all conditions in the screen flow, actions, result, account, ID. Account record ID. Account ID. So here is null false. Is null false means when the data with the account ID, then only we need to display. Click on done. Same condition for this section as well. Visibility. So here we are going to take it by the and condition section actions result account details account ID is null, false. Then only we need to display by this information. Click on done, click on save. Now let's run this. Now you have to observe initially not populated by 32 sections. Okay. Let's select by the here at communication. Then only we have the populated by the information. If it is the null, see here automatically disappear by the that sections. Like this, you can select by the details. United Gas and Oil Corporation. This is the what are the opportunities here. Those are all the opportunities populated and the account information also will be populated. So like this, without to click on to the any action button or next to screen button, we can able to get the information and displayed by the information. So finally, if you don't want to the next button, so let's to give it to the here footer, just to pass it to the previous button, hide the previous button, and here pass button as well. These two we are hiding. Click on done, click on save, click on to the activate. Now end user can able to access, right? Who is the accessing this? That purpose I'm creating the one app builder page, lightning app builder. Click on to the here, click on to the new. Let's select by the app page, click on next, account and related opportunities. Click on next, click on one region, click on done. Our flow name, so we can add it by the flows. Drag and drop. I think 2 times is added, 1 time I'm removing. So by default, it's showing by the flow name. Might be if it is not showing, you can select by the your flow name, which flow you want to populate it. Account and related opportunity details. By default, it's showing to me. You can select by the which flow you want. Okay. Now click on save, activate. So I'm going to give it by the my flows. This is the my custom application. Click on app. Let's click on save. Now let's come to the here account and related one. We are going to access the tab now. App builder page we are creating, right? Let's search by the your app builder page name from the here. Account and related opportunities. This is the here. Okay. This is the our newly created screen flow will be the appear by the here. So now you can select this here. Automatically populated by the account and details. If you want to remove the finish button also, you can remove. Pass button, you can keep it, and finish button, you can hide it. Then finish button will not be the appear. So when you are selecting, then only these two sections will be the populated. Otherwise, two sections not be the populated. So user quickly get by the intended opportunity information without click onto the any button or next to screen button. Okay. With the screen flow actions, they can able to quickly get it by the information. Okay, I hope it's clear how it was the implemented by this use case.